Darell Krasnoff out there at Bel Air Investment Advisors. You're advising your high net worth investors to be careful in the near term, but you're positive over the long term. Tell me why.
Well, so we've enjoyed quite a good rally in equities. Market is no longer cheap. It's pretty full valued. We don't think it's yet overly expensive. But in the long run, we think that the economic momentum continues and that the risks have diminished a bit, certainly in Europe and in China. So we think that this economic momentum will continue for another couple of years.
And if we do get a scare in Europe, maybe a Greece flaring up or a Spain flaring up, then you buy those dips, right?
Yep, we'd be comfortable stepping in if we get any kind of a decline at all. But we'd also, if you're fully invested now, we would just hold through those dips.
And with regard to California bonds, because you're based out in California, your high net worth investors own a lot of Munis, and you think that credit's getting better? Thank you, Jerry Brown, right?
Well, he's actually, regardless of your political view, it'd be hard to argue that things aren't better in the state of California fiscally than they were when he took over. There have been tax increases and spending cuts, but also the economy is doing better. So there's more revenue. We've had the first budget surplus in years. And so the credit's better. We still would be cautious about the rate of return in muni bonds. They're good for stable, low-risk investing, but don't expect to get much return out of them.
Very good for rich folks. And when it comes to yield, you're also a fan of MLPs. Tell me why.
Yeah. So there's tremendous infrastructure investment going on around this country, mostly because of fracking. Natural gas has to be transported by pipeline for the most part. And so there's probably over $300 billion that needs to continue to go into infrastructure spend. You can get about a 6% yield, and we think you'll have growth of 5-6% of that revenue. So we expect total returns in the 10+% range with some tax benefits that come with it.
All right. Thanks a lot, Darell Krasnoff.
Pleasure, Greg.
And thank you for watching The Street.